Number 1.
1999 Toyota Tacoma, price $6,200, powered by a reliable and fuel-efficient 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It offers a smooth driving experience and excellent gas mileage, making it an ideal choice for a daily driver or a dependable work truck. The vehicle has 200,000 miles on the odometer and has been well cared for throughout its ownership. It features a clean white exterior and a gray interior that remains in good condition for its age. The air conditioning blows cold, all features and accessories function as they should, and the truck is clean both inside and out. Known for its legendary durability and long-lasting reliability, this Toyota Tacoma is ready for its next owner. Whether used for commuting, light hauling, or everyday transportation, it continues to perform well and provides the dependable service Toyota trucks are famous for.
Number 2.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, with 234,000 miles on the odometer. The truck features a beige exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance. The vehicle comes loaded with convenient features, including power windows, power door locks, power seats, keyless entry, cruise control, and air conditioning. Under the hood is the factory original 5.3L engine, which remains completely stock except for the addition of a Flowmaster muffler. The transmission received service and repairs at approximately 160,000 miles. This Chevrolet 1500 has been lowered with a 2/3 drop setup and has benefited from extensive front-end work, including a complete rebuild with new control arms installed roughly 3,000 miles ago. Additional recent maintenance includes new spark plugs, plug wires, and pulleys. The tires are in excellent condition, and the interior has been kept in great shape.
Number 3.
1996 Ford F-150, price $9,500, powered by a reliable 5.0L V8 engine and has accumulated 137,000 highway miles. It features an automatic transmission, a brown exterior, and a matching brown interior, giving it a classic and well-maintained appearance. The truck runs on gasoline and has been carefully cared for throughout its life, having always been garage-kept and kept exceptionally clean. The automatic C6 transmission was professionally rebuilt at 95,500 miles. Recent maintenance includes front-wheel bearings, while the brakes and tires remain in good condition.
Additional upgrades include a KN air filter for improved airflow and performance. The truck is equipped with a bed liner, although the toolbox shown is not included in the sale.
The air conditioning system currently needs to be recharged. Overall, this F-150 presents as a clean, solid, and dependable classic pickup with many miles of reliable service still ahead.
Number 4.
2002 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,900. It has traveled only 121,000 original miles. It comes equipped with a reliable 4.3L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance and dependable power. The truck features a clean white exterior complemented by a charcoal interior, creating a classic and timeless appearance. According to the seller, the vehicle is all original and comes with a clean title in hand, a clean Carfax report, and no accident history. It has been regularly maintained, with almost new tires installed and registration kept up to date. The air conditioning blows very cold, and the engine and transmission are reported to be in excellent condition, providing a smooth and comfortable driving experience. With 4 doors for added convenience and a reputation for durability, this GMC Sierra 1500 represents a solid option for anyone seeking a dependable full-size pickup truck.
Number 5.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $4,900, dependable and well-maintained pickup truck with 242,000 miles. Featuring an extended cab, automatic transmission, and 2WD drivetrain, it offers a comfortable and practical driving experience for everyday use. The truck has a clean white exterior that is complemented by a nice set of wheels and tires, giving it a sharp appearance. Inside, the cabin is clean and well cared for, while tinted windows provide added privacy and style.
The air conditioning blows cold, ensuring comfort on every drive.
Overall, this Ranger is a solid and reliable truck that combines functionality, comfort, and classic pickup styling, making it a great option for work, commuting, or daily driving.
Number 6.
1998 Ford Ranger, price $4,800. This truck is a clean and dependable pickup that has been family-owned since new. It is powered by a 4.0L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 198,000 original miles on the odometer. The truck features a black exterior complemented by a tan interior and runs on gasoline. According to the owner, the vehicle has no oil leaks and no known mechanical issues. The air conditioning blows cold, and the tires still have plenty of tread remaining, making it a reliable daily driver. The truck has been well maintained and remains in good running condition for its age. The only known issue is that the driver's side rear door does not open. The vehicle comes with a clean California title, current registration tags, and a Carfax report is available upon request.
Number 7.
1999 Ford F-250, price $7,800. This truck features the legendary 7.3L Power-stroke diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 187,000 miles, a tan exterior, and a matching tan interior, this 2WD truck has been well maintained and runs great. Recent service includes a new water pump, fan clutch, IPR and ICP sensors, along with a resealed oil cooler and fuel filter assembly. Additional upgrades include an aftermarket stereo with upgraded speakers, 2017-style heated mirrors with integrated marker lights and turn signals, a trailer brake controller, new weather stripping, and professionally tinted windows. The truck tows exceptionally well, and everything works as it should, including the hot heat and cold AC.
Number 8.
1997 Nissan hardbody, price $5,500. This truck is equipped with a reliable 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission. The truck has 144,000 miles on the odometer and features a gray exterior complemented by a gray interior. It has been well maintained and remains clean both inside and out. Mechanically, the vehicle runs and drives perfectly, with the engine and transmission operating at 100%. It comes equipped with cold air conditioning, aluminum wheels, and brand new tires. The truck has received many recent upgrades and replacement parts, contributing to its excellent overall condition. Everything functions as it should, making it a dependable daily driver or work truck. The vehicle carries a clean Texas title, which is in hand and ready for transfer.
Number 9.
1992 Ford Ranger, price $3,500. This truck is a well-maintained classic pickup that has traveled only 43,000 miles. It is equipped with a reliable V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. The truck features a clean white exterior complemented by a black interior, giving it a timeless and attractive appearance. The vehicle comes with a clean California title and remains in impressive condition for its age. Despite being over 3 decades old, it looks great, starts easily, and runs exceptionally well. According to the seller, it sounds, feels, and drives great, making it an excellent option for anyone looking for a dependable and increasingly collectible Ford Ranger.
Number 10.
1999 Ford F-150, price $2,800. This truck is powered by a reliable 4.6L gasoline engine paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has 191,000 miles on the odometer and features a tan exterior complemented by a matching tan interior. The vehicle has been well maintained and runs great, with no warning lights illuminated on the dashboard. At approximately 173,000 miles, it received new spark plugs and ignition wires, along with new front brake rotors and pads. In addition, all 4 shocks have been replaced. Both the air conditioning and heating systems are fully functional. While the body shows some rust consistent with its age, it does not affect the truck's drivability. The frame remains solid and has only minor surface rust.